Bye, goat. Goat out. Now what's the next theme?
Okay, my turn. I have no idea. Give me ideas.
I'm thinking. Hold on, let me mail the goat. You're out.
You're out. Now get out.
You're. Can I spell? No. You're out. Sorry. Okay. What's the next theme? Banana.
What? That's too easy.
Fruits.
Yeah, fruit. I'm gonna be my invasion of the banana wolf costume. It was hilarious. Too bad it wasn't a video.
Did I spell fruit? Oh, I forgot the R. That's why. I can spell.
Don't look.
Cycle. Invasion of the bananas.
No, it's 7:45.
Okay. Watermelon. Everybody, don't say watermelon. That's wrong. It's watermelon. Watermelon.
Yeah, it's on a Triathlon video. It's a hilarious series. Maybe you should watch it sometime.
So it's an eye again. That's nice.
I don't care. I like the article with the spiky hair.
Say what?
Excuse me, but pumpkins are vegetables, so the pumpkin wolf thing is out.
Okay, hold on. Say what you are.
Oh, it's
Strawberry. Watermelon.
Okay,
There's 2 strawberries then. Okay. Pumpkin is out. Not a fruit.
Pumpkins are vegetables. Pumpkin is out. It's a vegetable.
Pumpkin is out, not a fruit. I don't know how to spell vegetable. I'm terrible at spelling stuff because I don't think about it. But I want to think how to spell that all out. Guys, please don't correct me on anything. It's just gonna make me sad. Not really, but bye, wolf. What? The wolf changed? No. Pumpkin is okay. Wolf is out. Still. I said still. Oh my gosh. I'm very good at typing. Wolf is out. Not
Invasion of the bananas.
wolf.
Oh, she
Not
wasn't
Arctic
done.
wolf.
Well,
Not Arctic wolf.
it wasn't done.
Okay. I still vote for the wolf because she looks like she stole the idea from Arctic wolf.
Yeah. Say wolf is still out.
Daredevil is out. Sorry. Think. Well, darn. Well, shucky darn. There is out. Enter. There is out. Ah, darn. Went over here. Tomato. There is out. Wolf is out. Ah. Yes. Oh my gosh. Cyberwolf. You're hilarious.
Oh, no, alright.
Good try for copying the strawberry, but we helped the strawberry.
What?
Next is... That's not fair. I look like them, and they are not out.
Okay, buddy, everyone else. Buddy everyone except for the wolf. I don't know why I buddied somebody. You should be buddying him. I don't know why. I buddied the one that starts with banana.
No. Buddy me. Buddy me.
Then when everybody except for the wolf is buddying you, lock your den. Then as people go out, unbuddy them and lock your den.
Yes, yes. The goat needs to be my buddy because the goat was watching.
Oh well.
No. Buddy me.
Doesn't buddy you in 10 seconds. You have to lock your den. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Lock your den.
Okay. Theme is bitch. No. That's terrible. Theme is...
Angel.
No, that's not my idea.
Astronaut. Space. Space,
Yes.
space, 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 space.
Whoops, I spelled space wrong. Theme is space.
Yes.
I'm glad I saw...
Shall I play
I'm so-
the song?
Yeah, no, actually, yeah, you played this song. No, actually, I have to play the song. You
Too
can't
late.
play... No, you can't play it. Someone mess it up.
Fine.
Okay. But the goat is back and buddied me. Yay!
I don't care.
Quiet.
I don't care.
That's terrible. So, the goat's dressing up, but I'm not gonna count it.
That's nice. I don't care.
That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
LOL. Oh, darn it, I can't say it. Well, oh, well. I actually could just have done this.
Who wants to hear my sarcastic life? Give a like to this video if you think it's hilarious.
Yeah, if you actually give a like and subscribe and a comment,
Silence. I'm doing this sarcastically.
you'll do it better.
Okay, I'm done.
Guys, what did they say? Space?
Yes, you did.
Baby, space. Why are you the banana?
Why
bitch?
is the magical markiplier singing?
Okay, space,
So
goat,
yours is
blah, 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 blah. Someone is the sun. I'm gonna say,
Ooh, put on neon
What
cap. Neon cap
you
for all the people who
yeah.
don't like
I'm gonna do neon cat for the
it.
theme.
Neon.
Neon. Neon or neon?
Neon.
I'm gonna say what I want to say.
Oh, and put in the comments if you say neon or neon.
If you say neon, say neon cat. If you say nyan. Just plain old nyan. I am Spaceman. I think Spaceman should be out.
Wait,
Please, it looks terrible.
who's Spaceman?
This one, the fox that's all by itself.
I'd say it's creative. I don't like the Arctic wolf.
Banana. I'm not the buddy say no, but
Goodbye, banana.
you're saying it. I'm too sad.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Out is so sorry. Ready? Say banana is out since that's the user. Actually, it's BNANNA. Oh, you are out. Alright. Okay. Okay.
Okay, next theme. What's the next theme? It's your
I
turn.
had it.
What?
But I had one, what was it? Nyan Cat.
Oh yeah, that's the perfect team. I really need rainbow tail armor. If you do play AJ, my username is Winter413. No capital letters, no spaces.
Right here?
Please give me rainbow tail armor for my Nyan Cat costume. Please.
Look.
Or else I will annoy you for the rest of your life if you don't.
Is it that cat that has rainbows? Yes.
Yes, it farts rainbows, if you do not know. And it meows adorably and annoyingly to boys. And why isn't the videos working?
Because it's supposed to be on the sound. Or it wouldn't work right. Sorry guys who don't like Nyan Cat or Nat.
You're in for a rough ride.
So it's going to be 3 minutes long, don't worry. I just have to do it for the theme. No. Rainbow. Stuff. Oh my gosh, stuff on. No rainbow stuff on. Stuff on. No rainbow stuff on. Okay, that's creative.
What?
That Fox, that's creative. He had, like they use like she had to do that way. She has her code for the Pop-Tart, the rest for the
Rainbow.
and then I don't get what the hat's about, but that's cool. Do not lock me out, please, if I'm out. Okay.
But isn't the goat not playing?
Yeah, you are out. I'm just gonna say that now. You are out. Okay, theme and look like me. Goat. Theme. Look like me. And do what I do. Okay? Theme, look like me and do what I do, okay? Because I'm a hop. Okay, now let's shut this off. Okay, you're picking who's out this time, Cyberwolf.
Alright.
Please stop picking.
I should think of the next theme. Or the
No,
numbers have lowered.
this is just 2 people out. Next one, everyone's out. Then look like me and do what I do, okay?
Who would want to look like you on them?
Quiet. Oh my gosh, that's like the worst.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh.
I'm sure it's pretty clear who is out right now.
Yeah.
Wait. She's not done.
Ow! That just copied my move so far. That almost scared me because I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so terrible. But if they get everything spot on, that would work because swords.
It's a nightmare. There's 4 of you. It's a nightmare.
It's awesome! Looking XD. Oh my gosh, but except for that doesn't look like me. I don't have swirls. I have fire. Blooming is out. Junior is the winner.
But there's 2 of them.
No, this person is out. She's just doing it for free.
So who's out? Which one went out? The one with the sword or the one with the bow?
Blooming. The sword is out.